What's up, guys? It's Cody from Digital Advantage and Fun with AI. Today we're going to be walking through our process of how we design logos for companies and then also utilize artificial intelligence to make websites for those companies as well. And so sit back and enjoy the ride. I usually start off the logo making process by scrolling through different icons and different logos on sites like Adobe Stock or inside Canva, and then I find something that I want. In this case, we're doing a kitchen remodel company logo, and so I'm going to be looking for something that looks elegant and high-end. I want to portray that high-end quality feel, and so I'm going to be looking for icons and fonts that portray that. And this company is also located in the Northwest, and so I feel like if I find a blend of something that also represents the Pacific Northwest and I can throw that in as well without making it too busy, then I'm gonna go with that. I scroll through different icons and logos. I'm looking in Canva right now at home remodel, and I'm just kind of getting an idea. I kind of like this green look to vibe with the Pacific Northwest, and so I'm kind of looking for something like that. We can cruise over to Adobe Stock now, and I'm kind of looking at remodel logos. This is more of the generic remodel. We're going specifically for kitchen, so it could be that we need to add in some type of element of a kitchen to relate it back to kitchen restoration. A lot of these home icons don't have that, and so I'm actually going to look for a kitchen sink logo to just kind of see, because that's kind of the focal point of the kitchen. I like this simple icon right here. We could definitely maybe do something with this as well. I kind of like that. It's a little bulky though. I want something that's clean and gonna look good on the side of a truck. I actually really like this right here. It's got that elegant look that I was talking about, that's kind of minimalistic, but it's a bathroom. It could maybe be changed to a kitchen, but I like that font and I like that color. Yeah, so we're gonna go back to Canva and check it out. Just looking quickly through these ideas to see which one catches the eye. I kind of want maybe, I like this logo. This is kind of elegant, like I'm looking for, simple. I maybe want to try something with pine trees maybe to relate to the Northwest. So let's look at pine tree home logo. Okay, I really like this. Let's see what else. I love this. This is simple. Has nice pine trees in it. I really like that one actually. I'm gonna try and go with this. We're gonna go ahead and customize this now. We're gonna go ahead and type in the business name. Bring down the size. This is gonna be the Northwest part down here. It's already looking awesome. Then bring down the letter spacing. All right, that is looking really good right now. It's missing an element from the kitchen, and so what I think that I'm gonna do is look for a kitchen icon to incorporate into this, maybe to take the space of the window, possibly. That's my first idea. Instead of having this window right here, it would be nice to have the outline of maybe a sink coming up from the bottom. Let's see how that goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this window really quick. I'm just doing this quickly for the sake of this video. And then we're gonna go back and see if we can find a kitchen icon, which I really like this one. And so we're gonna go ahead and download this. And what I want to do is grab that file, open it up in Photoshop, and what we want to do is change this to the color of the logo. I like that green. I like that green logo that we were working with, so I'm going to go ahead and use this Google Chrome extension to pick the color. Boom. We got the color. Now we go back into Photoshop, grab the paint bucket, put that color in here, and we're gonna go ahead and boom, color the dots. And then we want to cut this thing out, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the magic eraser. Boom, boom. And then I'm gonna go ahead and crop this because all we need is the sync icon. All right, now we got our sync icon. Okay, in this case, this doesn't really blend. It's too thin of lining. Yeah, it's just not prominent enough. We actually need a thicker icon. I kind of like the one that I saw up at the top. These are kind of cool. They might have too thin of lining as well. I kind of like this over here too with the hood. I actually might try this one out. I'm gonna try this because I like the thick lining. We'll go ahead and do the same thing. Bring it into Photoshop. We'll go ahead and change the color. Boom, 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 boom. Go ahead and crop it. Pull out the white. And export that, and we'll try this out and see how it goes. Okay, this is looking more how I want it to look. This is good. I want to see if we cut off that, what would happen. I don't know if I like how the kitchen hood kind of disconnects, but it also flows pretty well. I'm feeling like there might need to be a sync, but it looks pretty good right now. It flows pretty good with the A-frame, actually, the hood does. Maybe a little bigger. I feel like there needs to just be a little bump here, maybe to indicate that there's a sync. But maybe not. I mean, this is a stovetop, so maybe if we just do a little bump off to the side to indicate that there's a sync. Actually, we'll do a line element because it's just going to be a straight line here. And I can get a nice rounded top to it. Change the color to match the scheme. And I want it to be rounded, so I'm going to go with the rounded endpoints. And then I'm going to bring down the thickness. Let's see what 4 looks like. Okay, that's too much. That's just about right. I'll go down one more just to test it. Let's see what the 2 looks like. I kind of like this bottom line too. That was kind of an accident. Let's see if we can make that work too. I actually even like how it comes down a little bit. I might round the corners on that. And let's zoom out, see what we're working with. Yeah, I really like this. The sync can come over a little bit. Okay, I really like this. I feel like we're almost there. This is actually good enough to show the client, I believe. This is where we're going to show the client the initial idea and see how it goes. We're actually going to run it through Mike, the head quality control advisor. Since Mike approved it, we're going to run it by the owner of the company to see if they like it. Now that the owner is on board with it, we're going to go ahead and roll with it for the actual website design. Then it's time to do a quick celebration for a small win in this project. Alright, that's a small win, but we're just getting started with this project. In the next video, we're going to be going through how we go about designing websites for these companies as well. So stay tuned. Thanks for stopping by.